I met you on a crappy day, my world seemed out of place. I know I should have stayed away, but that smile on your face, I felt like a magnet. I was drawn towards you. Right then was when I knew. Why'd you have to go? I'm at my newest low. Where's the picture on my wall? Depressed and sad, I might just fall. We used to walk around the lake, the cutest couple we both would make. Our love is like a time bomb. Remember when I met your mom? Sometimes I sit on my roof and I think about the fun we had. All the days, all the time together. Did it really hurt that bad? Why'd you have to go? I'm at my newest low. Where's the picture on my wall? Depressed and sad, I might just fall. I think about you all the time. You're no longer mine. You're gone for always. I'll shed a tear. It's you who left me. Let's make that clear. You left me here. Why'd you have to go? I'm at my newest low. Where's the picture on my wall? Depressed and sad, I might just fall. Why'd you have to go? I'm at my newest low. Where's the picture on my wall? Depressed and sad, I might just fall. I might just fall. I held his hand today. They told us to, but that's okay. I never thought I'd ever feel this way. It's not the same, I can't describe it. This feeling, it's like a rocket. Goes up and never falls down. You sing a song, you practice, I dance. I could tell you'd be good at romance. Just give it a try, we'll be happy, I know. I want you so bad. When you look at her, it makes me so mad. I turned around and I saw your face. The beat of my heart changed its pace. I walked right beside you, pulled my hand through his hair, and I knew I'd never wanna walk away. That sad time we all had, we hugged by the door. Aren't you glad that I will always be here for you? When you cried, I felt your heart ache. She shows up and it's for your sake. I wish you looked at me that way. so bad. When you look at her, it makes me so mad. I turned around and I saw your face. The beat of my heart changed its pace. I laid my head on his shoulder. We wait too long, we're both getting older. I never thought I'd ever feel this way.